Hey guys, what's up? I am so awake right now because I got a call from my job right now and I don't have to do mandatory overtime tomorrow, which I am super excited about. So I figured I'd film this video because I've been wondering something. I've had these holographic powders for a while, but I haven't used these three over here yet. So I was wondering how they kind of measure up against these three over here that I have used. And I figured I'd make a video because maybe some of you are wondering about how some of these look and maybe you've seen them online, you don't know if you want to buy them, blah blah blah. So I'll film a video. Over here, this, I'm not sure if it's even a powder, it looks more like glitter, but I'm gonna use it nonetheless. This also looks kind of like glitter. It's not as fine as the others. This is more fine. And these three I got on eBay, pretty cheap. And then this is what I normally use in my stuff. You can see how small it is or how fine it is. I got that on AliExpress. I got this on AliExpress, and this is probably my favorite. It even says best holographic on the top. But yeah, I really love this one. This was only like $4. Like compared to what, $20 for 1 gram, $4 for 1 gram is not bad. And then this, I didn't purchase. I got this as a freebie in one of my orders from solarcolordust.com. It's their, I don't know if you can see that, rainbow linear pigment. You can see how that looks. So I'm going to just dust all of these in some molds and we can see what the difference is. They're all going to be backed in black, I believe. That will give the best effect. And I wanted to be somewhat uniform. I don't have all of the same alien molds, but these four are the same. And then I've got these two over here, so they'll almost be the exact same. Close enough. So let's get started dusting these into molds. The first one I'm gonna do is this black one right here. I will do it in this mold. Zoom in a little bit. This is what it says. I would tell you the sellers if I remembered them. I don't remember them. I think I just searched like holographic powder or something like that. But yeah, this is definitely a lot like glitter. But I'm gonna use it nonetheless. So this one is done. I just love doing this. It looks so pretty. Now these ones, I'm gonna have to keep in order so I don't mix them up. Okay, so this one is done. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I love it. I love it. Love it. Those bigger particles just look so cool. Gonna give it a quick blow and on to the next one. Now it's the other eBay one. This is the last one. No, it's not. The other one. Yeah, it is. I think this one I got on eBay too. I'm just gonna say yeah, because I really don't remember. All done. I like this one. I think I did use this one before. Kind of a typical holographic look. But yep, on to the next. So again, this one is the one I use the majority of the time. Now it's time for Best Holographic. And lastly, I have this one from Solar Color Dust, which, if you're looking for a particular look, could be good to use, but I think the others will be best for the applications that a lot of people use holographic powders for. Ooh, that looks so buttery smooth. Ooh, yes. Can you see that? am I weird? To just, I'm like staring at just how smooth it is, because it's a paste. It said paste, didn't it? Like, see the difference? Oh my god, yes. Okay, all finished. Oh, that looks amazing. Alright, all of my powder is done. You can see the differences just by looking at them, which is pretty cool. Obviously this one is like crazy smooth, but again, it's gonna be different from the other ones. You'll see. But now it's time to do this test in all black backings, and then I'll do another test after that with some color. I don't know what color, but first we're gonna see what they all look like once they're backed in black. So I'm just gonna pour black resin. I'm not gonna film it. You guys don't need to see it. It's the same that you always see. So I will come back when these are ready to be popped out. Got it? I'm back and things are pretty much cured. If you didn't know, I use liquid diamonds, which cures a little bit slower than other epoxy resins, but I'm distracted by my neighbors right now, sorry. But I don't really care about the curing in this. So we're just gonna start. I'm gonna start with this black one right here. Very nice. Now this is the larger particle one. See, I kind of missed some spots, but oh well. This is the other one that's finer. So these are all the eBay ones. This is the one that I usually use. Here is the best holographic. And then lastly, this is the linear pigment paste from Solar Color Dust. I'm also going to show these in the sun so you guys can see the holo better. Here's the black. Large particle one. This is a small particled one. I normally use. Best one, as it says on the package. But I do really love this one. And the one from solarcolordust.com. Alright, so I decided on an opaque color. I'm going to use this teal by Resin Obsession. And again, I'm going to dust all of these with the same pigments in the same molds. And then I'm going to pour my resin. I'm not going to show that again. And then when I come back, they'll be ready to pop out. So see you in a second. Okay, they're all cured, so let's just go ahead and pop them out. Start with the black one because it, I don't know, might look weird. There's that. This is the large particle one. And as you see, I decided to do pastel colors because a lot of people in the resin community use pastels all the time, so I figured I'd do that. The more fine particled one. The one I normally use. This is the best holographic one. And finally, the one from Solar Color Dust, which I said that was different than the rest, and you will see what I mean. So as you see, it doesn't really show any color. It just shows silver. I feel like it's a very, very, very faint show of color maybe. I'll have to compare it to the other one, but this shows color a little bit. You can see the pink and the blue, the purple, and this is just more silver. Here they are in the sun really quick. Same order. So comparing the solar color dust with color and backed in black, there is a slight difference. You still can't really tell the color underneath as well as the others. Alright, that was it for the video because that's all the powders I have. And again, I did this because I was curious about the differences, if there were any. Hopefully you found this information useful for you. I know some of us don't really want to spend $20 or more on 1 gram of pigment. I know that's me, and I was actually able to find pretty much all of the listings I purchased from. If I didn't, it's because the seller removed it, but I was able to find something similar. So just look in the description and I will have all of these numbered so you know which ones you want. This one is from solarcolordust.com. That's the only one that's kind of expensive. This is $10. So if you want to try that out, that's $10 per shipping. And all the other ones that I purchased were under $5. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will try to answer them if I know the answer and if it hasn't been answered already in the video. And I will see you again soon. Ta-ta.